they purposely throw the seeds on the ground so they all can sit and eat it?
No, it's just a mistake that they make, but they obviously go down to get them. They got male, female cardinal here.
I've been trained to serve you.
And we had some blue jays popping through.
I would like to know about you.
Pause
What
the
do you
movie.
like?
You like? You don't want that.
What kind of music do you like?
Whatever kind.
There's the feeder above. It's about negative 20 degrees with the wind chill, so we made sure we keep feeding the birdies so that way they survive this nasty cold winter here.
The cold blue jays came back.
Yeah,
I
we're
wanna
just
see the
waiting for the
male.
blue jays to come back. We saw a female blue jay, but not male yet.
Bird party.
But we got male and female cardinal, and then a whole bunch of these little guys. There's Mrs. Female with the red lipstick. Yep. You can really see that red lipstick there. There's the one on the hose. Little guy puffed out. Oh, and there's the one with the white belly. Pretty cool.
Look at the red cardinal in the tree.
Oh, is he up in the tree?
Yeah, just right there, sitting and watching his mate.
Ooh, how far back?
Like right above the
Oh, yeah, I see him now. Yeah. Where'd he go? There he is. Right.
And the female's now right next to him in the other branch. They're, the male and the female, they can look at each other across. You see that?
Oh, yeah, there he is.
And the male is right there. She's falling down. She went away. And he's probably gonna go chase her.
Where'd he go?
He's right there.
No, I know. I'm trying to find him on the camera, though. It's hard to see. There he is.
Yep, he's gonna go away though and find his mate.
There. And then back down here to the feeder. Female disappeared again. She'll be back. Alright. Call that good for this video, I think. Oh, there's the male up there again. There he is. Oh yeah, you can just see that shadow.
Right with the sun.
Yeah. Oh, there he is.
We should definitely clean the windows this summer.
Yeah. Alright, bye-bye birdies.